The Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer delivers on its promise of non-stop juicing with a powerful, high-torque motor that effortlessly handles tough fruits and vegetables. It runs quietly and efficiently, thanks to the low-speed auger rotation, extracting juice without overheating the produce. The Total Pulp Control feature is a standout, offering two interchangeable pulp filters, so you can choose between smooth juice or a more textured drink with extra pulp, perfect for different preferences in a household. Using the juicer is straightforward with its two one-touch programs, start, stop, and reverse making. Operation intuitive even for beginners. Assembly is quick and hassle-free. And the anti-drip lever is a thoughtful touch that keeps countertops clean. Its compact size makes it easy to store or leave out under standard cabinets without taking up much space. Cleaning up afterward is refreshingly easy, with all juice contact parts being dishwasher safe, a major improvement over traditional centrifugal juicers. The included 24 ounces juice jug and 36 ounces pulp container are practical additions, and the 15 recipe inspiration guide is a nice bonus for those looking to get creative. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-clean cold-press juicer that doesn't compromise on performance. This juicer offers a practical and efficient design that caters well to anyone looking to get serious about home juicing. The standout feature is its 5.8-inch extra-wide feed chute, which allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for time-consuming pre-cutting. This, combined with a smart safety lock that stops the machine when the lid is opened, adds both convenience and peace of mind for families. Its cold press technology operates at a slow 55 revolutions per minute, helping preserve essential nutrients and delivering juice with rich, natural flavor. The dual-layer strainers are a thoughtful touch, filtering juice through a fine 0.3 millimeters mesh to minimize clogging and maximize yield up to 99%. The result is smooth, pulp-free juice with less waste. Setup and cleaning are also hassle-free, with just 3 main parts to manage and a one-button operation. It's beginner-friendly and quick to clean, thanks to the included brush and push rod. The build quality feels solid, with a durable outer shell that wipes clean easily, while side vents prevent overheating and help prolong the life of the motor. Altogether, this juicer is a great blend of power, safety, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for anyone who juices regularly. This juicer has quickly become a staple in my kitchen. The 5.8-inch feed chute is a standout feature. It easily accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, saving time and reducing prep work. It's also a safer option around kids thanks to its design. Powered by a 4-0 West motor, it handles juicing tasks with ease and delivers a high yield. The cold press method really shines here, producing purer juice with better flavor and more retained nutrients. The 7-stage spiral auger is incredibly efficient, minimizing heat buildup and oxidation, while squeezing out about 30% more juice than other models I've used. One of the best aspects is the effective pulp separation. The dual-layer filters do a great job of reducing clogging and keeping the juice smooth and free from residue. The result is clean, fresh-tasting juice every time with very little froth. There's also a helpful troubleshooting guide included. It makes setup easier and helps ensure everything works as it should, especially important for first-time users. Overall, this juicer offers excellent performance, thoughtful design, and impressive results, especially for those who care about maximizing nutrition and taste. After trying several juicers over the years, the NeverClog SJ036 has genuinely impressed me with its thoughtful design and exceptional performance. From the moment I unboxed it, it was clear this juicer was built with both quality and user convenience in mind. One of the standout features is its ability to handle whole fruits and vegetables which saves an incredible amount of prep time. I was able to toss in apples, carrots, and even leafy greens without having to pre-cut everything into tiny pieces. This alone made the juicing process feel far less like a chore. The juice quality is outstanding, smooth, rich, and noticeably more flavorful compared to what I've gotten from faster, more aggressive juicers. You can tell that it's preserving the natural nutrients, and the pulp comes out surprisingly dry, indicating how efficient the extraction process is. Cleanup is easy too, thanks to its clever filtration system. There's less mess, less clogging, and the parts are straightforward to disassemble and rinse. The included instructions are clear, and helpful tips like using the reverse function for blockages or aligning markers during setup make a big difference. This model feels solid and reliable, and it's evident that it was built with long-term use in mind. You're not just buying a juicer, you're investing in a well-engineered appliance from a brand that clearly knows what it's doing. Verdict: if you're serious about juicing and want a machine that balances performance, ease of use, and durability, the Anscaf SJ036 is a top-tier choice. This cold press juicer stands out for its thoughtful design and versatile performance. The 2-in-1 strainer system is a real highlight. It comes with both a juice mesh filter for fresh fruits and vegetables and a sorbet filter for frozen treats. Whether you're making a morning green juice or an afternoon frozen fruit sorbet, this juicer adapts easily to your needs. The motor is impressively quiet, operating at just 35 decibels, which makes it ideal for early mornings or shared living spaces. It's also built to last, with an expected lifespan of over 10 years, which gives it a strong advantage over many other models on the market. One of the most convenient features is the extra-wide 6-inch speed chute. It allows you to drop in whole fruits and veggies without chopping them up. First apples, carrots, and more fit with no trouble, saving a lot of prep time. The pre-cutter and anti-clog designs also make a noticeable difference. Instead of jamming like some machines, it smoothly cuts and presses the produce for efficient juices. In terms of performance, it delivers a high yield up to 99.6%. Juice extraction means less waste and better flavor. Cleanup is also surprisingly simple thanks to the detachable pulp container that locks into place securely and comes apart quickly when you're done. Overall, this juicer is well-engineered for both convenience and high performance, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to make juicing part of their daily routine.
That is high, so high. That is high, so high. It's high.